This is a brand new 2013 Ford Super Duty. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include skid plates, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a trailer hitch receiver, trailer wiring, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, rear seat child-proof door locks, and a vehicle anti-theft system. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.